Hello, thank you for welcoming me into your classrooms this week and into your PLC meeting. Today, I'd like to talk to you about something that's really been on my heart lately. I was thinking about when I was in high school and how I was very aware of the difference between honors classes and college prep classes. I was in honors classes and it was very clear that the expectation was to go to a four-year university. Counselors came in frequently to talk to us about college options, financial aid, scholarships, and more. On the other hand, if you were in college prep classes, that didn't seem to be the expectation. In fact, it was pretty much common knowledge that you were going to be attending a two-year community college, going into the military, or getting a minimum wage job after graduation. I've always wondered if my fiance Sean had had access to the honors classes like I did, if he would have been more successful in getting a four-year degree. I don't know the answer to that, but I do know that we have a very similar problem at Bonita. Only about 40% of our graduating seniors go to four-year universities, and this data has been consistent over a couple of years now. 3 years ago, our WASP report told us that we needed to raise expectations for all students. I think these two things are connected. They also recognize that there's a discrepancy in rigor in our regular and our AP and IB classes. I'm really concerned about that. I'm also concerned that a disproportionate number of our English language learners and our African American students are taking those regular classes. Furthermore, their English only and white counterparts are getting higher scores on SBAC, SAT, AP, and IB, and they are taking the advanced classes. This achievement gap weighs really heavily on me. If we are truly to exemplify excellence, like our school's motto says, we must confront the beliefs and actions that have led us here. We know that ninth grade is a super vital year to overall success, and that's why I want to start with you. 2/3 of our incoming ninth graders have elected to take English 9 honors. This is really exciting. I'm asking counselors to place all students heterogeneously in your classes. It will be a change, but I think it will be a change for the positive. English 9, I would like you to be the first PLC to raise the level of rigor in your classes across the board for all classes and all students. We will be offering equitable experiences so that those students never have to wonder whether they will be more successful on a different track. The first step here is to calibrate what rigor looks like in each of our classrooms. We should come to consensus on one learning outcome to start. Let's assess our students' performance and discuss what evidence of mastery looks like. Please complete the Google form that I'm sending you so that we can select a date next week to meet and discuss that learning outcome and the CFA. Let's move forward together and continue to do the absolute best for all of our students. Thank you.